Are your Zillow leads slipping through your fingers like sand? Today, we're diving deep into how to transform those cold calls into hot deals. Step 1. Speed is your superpower. Zillow leads are shopping now. Respond within 5 minutes. The quicker you call, the higher your chance of connecting before they move on to another agent. Step 2. Preparation is paramount before you dial. Quickly review the lead Zillow activity. What properties have they viewed? What are their search criteria? This gives you context for a personalized conversation. Step 3. Script, but don't sound scripted. Have a call outline ready, but be flexible. Start with a warm, genuine greeting. Example: hi lead name. I saw you were looking at properties in neighborhood. I'm your name with your brokerage. I'm very familiar with that area and would love to help. Step 4. Ask open-ended questions. Don't just bombard them with property details. Instead, ask about their timeline, their budget, and what's most important to them in a home. Listen more than you talk. Step 5. Set the next appointment. The goal of the first call isn't to sell them a house. It's to establish rapport and schedule a follow-up. Offer a beer consultation or a showing of a relevant property. Follow these tips and you'll be converting more Zillow leads into clients in no time. Like and subscribe for more real estate tips. #ZILLOW Calls #sales skills.